Hey, I will be going over the core aspects of my program. So the first one of my core aspects is spawning enemies. So here I just have, hey, if there are no enemies in the game, just spawn a bunch of random enemies between a bunch of number of enemies between 1 and 10 and just add them to the list of enemies. My next core aspect is the weapons. So there's a abstract weapon class in which there is a player weapon, child class, and an enemy weapon, and these weapons behave slightly differently because player weapons always point to wherever the player's mouse is facing, and the enemy weapon always points towards the target player. So those two weapons have different behaviors. I also have a separate bullet class which handles all the different kinds of bullets for each different kinds of guns. I have my entity class, which an abstract class which a player entity and the enemy entities implement. So they just got the base functionality an entity would need, which is, hey, let's check if the entity's on the ground, if draw, update, switching weapons, next weapons, is their inventory full, adding items, etc. Here we just have the player class, and we have the enemy entity over here. So enemy always gets the nearest player and always attacks the nearest player. Another key aspect of my program is the game window class. So what the game window class is, I have created my own button-like thing, and yeah, so that's how I play the game initially when I'm in the main menu. Item, here's my item class, and here's an enum for all the different kind of items I can have, and yeah, that's it really. I also have this, another core aspect is this map text file in which you can customize the map however you want. So replacing a 0 with a 1 will place a block at that specific location in the map. So this is from the left to the right side of the whole screen. So just changing this can change how the map looks like. Yeah, that's it.